To Mom and Kids Kitchen. If you are new to our channel, welcome, and we say thank you to all our supporters and our subscribers. So today we have a new recipe called lemonade juice. Or lemonade juice, hamad or citron. French called citron, Arabic is hamad, and
so you name it how you want.
So guys, we're using orange and lemon today, okay? So we're going to show you how we do it.
You're not going to peel it off?
Yes. You won't peel the skin, you just cut it into cubes, okay?
I want to cut.
Okay, so hold my hand, let's
I want to cut it with a small knife.
This one is hard. So guys, we are going to cut it into cubes, okay? You don't remove the skin of the orange.
You just need to cut it.
So this is how you are going to do it.
Hey, see the one? Yes, me.
Like this, okay?
And I'm about to cut it.
So guys, you cut it like this.
No, cut it again in the middle.
Yeah, big.
It's like a watermelon. You cut it like a watermelon.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
In the middle. No, it's okay like that. Just cut it in the middle. Yes.
Only in the middle?
Yes, it's okay. Okay.
Isn't it not big?
That one is too big.
Then you make me a cut that one. That's all right.
It's okay. You can't rub it. You can't squeeze it.
Okay. So guys, we continue the process, okay, for all the oranges. We actually use 5 oranges and then 10 lemon. Okay? Like that.
Because the lime, they are not big, so that's why I use 10. But if the lime is big like the orange, you use like 7 or 8 lime.
I got the big one. I need the small one.
So guys, we continue the process.
Yay! Yasmin is cutting it. It's trying.
Mommy! Look!
So guys, we are done cutting the lime and the lemon, okay? So now we are going to add the
lime and lemon or lime and orange.
Hey, sorry.
Continue.
Okay.
Now correct it.
Sorry, we finished cutting the lemon and then the orange. So we are going to put the sugar. This is 1.5 cup sugar, but you can add more if you want it. Okay.
I want to sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
You mess up yourself now with sugar, Dale. Everywhere, all should get the sugar. Every part of it should get the sugar. Every part of it. Okay. So now what next?
So guys, we are done sprinkling. So the next thing we'll do, we'll leave it for 2 hours. Okay. We'll leave it to stand for 2 hours. And we'll come again.
Come and cover it instead of for dirty or something.
We'll leave for 2 hours.
Yes, 2 hours.
Yes. And we'll come again for 2 seconds. So guys, 2 hours is over. Now we are coming to squeeze it. Okay. We are using our hand. Have you seen? Harder. So that's how we do the juice. You squeeze it with your hand. Hard.
Rub it.
So guys, we are coming to use 1.5 liter of water in it, okay? My mother is helping us with water.
Okay.
So you keep squeezing it so everything comes out of it. You get only the skin. Okay guys, mix it.
Yes.
Just be careful.
So at the moment I think you need your help. So my mother is helping us a bit here, okay? You don't see her but she's helping. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we are sieving it.
Okay.
So I'll squeeze it again, right?
Yes, you have to rub it again.
So we keep rubbing it.
Once I squeeze like this.
Okay. Sorry, my English, I don't know, they went travel to my English travel.
And
We have to rub it.
rub
It's
it.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So I'm going to rub it again. My English travels too much.
Anyway, maybe squeeze everything, maybe like the same, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. So guys, this is another half liter, okay? Half liter. So like I said, we are putting 1.5.
Okay, if my taste is good.
You have to shift it 2 times.
So guys, I sieved this twice because the first one.
No, this is once.
And the
this
first
is-
time.
Yes, this is the first
This is another
shift. So you have to shift again. The last one. So when you finish rubbing it, you finish squeezing it.
So guys, we're done sieving it, okay, for the first one. Left with the second one, right, Mommy?
Yes. Second sieve.
So this one you throw it away, you don't need it.
You waste.
You waste it.
Mommy, should I do it quietly like this?
No, yes.
So guys, we are about to sieve it the second time. Okay. So Yasmin, hold it for me. So Mommy is helping us.
Again.
What you finally see?
Okay.
I'm not seeing anything. I don't put the good side. Asha,
Yes.
where you are?
Wait, Yasmin.
No, I didn't shave. Let me shave. I did.
Bend the thing.
Now, the
Small,
thing
small.
is
It's it all.
shaking. Mommy, that
Wait,
one
Yasmin.
you make, it looks like ginger. No, I was the shaver. Because you were shaving it yourself. Mommy, Jasmine says she
Small,
wants
small.
to shave.
Okay, Jasmine, you like it to taste? You like to taste and see? You don't like? It's not.
So,
So,
guys,
guys,
now we finished.
Yes, we
The
finished
juice.
the juice. So this is how it's supposed to be like.
Try it and see. Test it.
Let me give you a small one.
No, I don't want it.
Exactly I want it.
No, I don't want it.
It's nice.
It's very sour.
It's not very sour. It's
Okay, so guys, we are done making it, okay? So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe,
Like and
share.
comment.
It is the Mama, watch you.
Click to the bell.
She don't want anybody to help her.
Okay, guys. This one, when you finish like this, you need the cold one is more better. So you have to put it inside the fridge to get cold. Put it inside your container,
And then
you can drink it for the week.
cool, okay? So thank you so
Bye.
much for coming to visit us. Thank you so much for the new subscribers and the ones who are always with us. Okay guys, so bye bye.
Bye. Wait, don't forget.